When you think about what's happening in the broader world, every business is a software business, it's a digital business, whether it's precision medicine or precision agriculture, personalized education or personalized banking is being built by developers. In fact, there's a piece of data from LinkedIn which says that non-tech hiring of software development is growing steadily at double digit, 25% greater than software engineer growth in tech. So that speaks to the world that's going to be there going forward. From a secular basis, developers are going to be required everywhere. It's kind of like what maybe in the early 90s was to equip knowledge workers with tools and services, or what it was even in the 2000s to build SaaS services for sales professionals. Developer SaaS is going to be at the center of the digital economy. And that's the real strategic rationale for it. It's a secular growth market. And Microsoft has heritage here. We were a developer tools company first. And now, of course, we are all in on open source. And that's what really brings us together with GitHub. And we're going to operate it as an open platform for any language, any framework, any platform, whether it's the cloud or on the client, and really serve the developers with a SaaS service that everyone requires, just like we do for knowledge workers with Office 365 or business applications with Dynamics.
Right. So, Satya, how quickly are you guys, as Microsoft and the leadership that you're putting in place, going to be able to make visible changes to GitHub, improvements that might bolster developers' confidence in what you're going to do with the platform? Because rivals, including GitLab, are already trying to take advantage of this acquisition and get developers to export their projects from GitHub into GitLab. Their tool that shows those imports is down, is getting so much traffic. How quickly are you going to be able to show how Microsoft is going to run this in a way that's going to perhaps make developers happy?
Yeah, no, I mean, it's the most important thing with the community asset like GitHub is to stay true to the core ethos of developer first that GitHub has always had. Nat Friedman, who's going to be the CEO post-close, came to Microsoft from Xamarin. He's someone who's a veteran of open source, and he's going to lead the company. Chris, who's the CEO of GitHub, and I discussed a lot about the fundamental ethos of the company going forward will remain the same. We'll operate it independently. It'll be an open platform. And I think most developers out there will judge us by our recent actions and our actions going forward. And we will have to earn the trust every day. And so we're very, very committed to it. But we're excited because I think at the core, Microsoft is a developer and a tools company. And this is just something that comes very naturally to us. And quite frankly, earning the trust of our customers by our actions every day is what we live by.